अंदू वर्सा औद्योगिक वसाहतींत पायाभूत सुविधांचेर 200 कोटी रुपया खर्च करतले. आयडीसीच्या इतिहासात पयलेच फावट खासा बायलां खातीर हॉस्टेलां बांदतले. वेर्णा, कुणय, मडकय आनी कुंकळे हांगा बायलां खातीर एकूण 5 हॉस्टेलां उपलब्ध करून दितले, अशी माहिती आयडीसीचे अध्यक्ष आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान दिल्या.
Most probably we will spend about 200 crores. Yeah, most probably. Women, we are even implementing women hostels. First time in the history of IDC, we are going to have women hostels. We are going to have 2 hostels in Verna. Total 5.
Where are the other 3?
Other 3, one is in Kundai, Madkai, and Kongoli. Yes, and 2 in Verna.
So what will the capacity?
Capacity will be 120 each. So, and more important is we have even the infrastructure, like even water. We have even put water filtration plants. Where in Konkoli industrial state, we have for the pollution we are taking steps to see that water treatment has been done. The plan, the work has been tendered of water treatment plant in Konkoli. In Konkoli, first time we are going to have roads where they will have no dust pollution as far as the road is concerned. Heavy vehicles are going on those trucks. More than 30 tons, 40 tons trucks are going on it. So they require heavy duty roads. We have decided to put the DLC white topping with extra reinforcement so that they take up the loads, and even those roads last for 25 years. Care has been taken for the infrastructure in such a manner that we will have no problems as far as infrastructure is concerned. At least the dust pollution reduces because of bad roads.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर वर्षा आश्वेकर.